Let's haul out. Time we put you to work on some bigger prey. Let's go! Oh, no, you don't. So why are you looking for these two men?
It's a long story. We used to ride together. We was all friends once.
Only a buzzard feeds on his friends. There must be a high bounty on their heads.
What would you do if somebody took the people you love and told you they'd die if you didn't do as they asked?
I'd show them what a big mistake they'd made. There they are. Follow me.
A ver si te pego en el culo.
There! Too close!
This is what happened.
Gracias a Dios. Me salvaron la vida.
What can I say, partner?
All right, let's move out. Everybody stay alert.
Come on! I can see you haven't lost your touch, Landon.
Nobody said I had. You talk real big for a boy who couldn't shoot straight a half hour ago.
And you talk big for an old man who can't stand up straight no more.
You're a long way from being a Landon Ricketts partner. Young, old, or otherwise. All those stories you heard as a boy were true, you know.
You were 8 foot tall with the strength of 10 men.
Mire, señor, hay muchos de ellos.
So,
Good work, boys. Now let's get this wagon back where it belongs.
so much for this quiet life of yours, Mr. Ricketts.
I didn't say I'd become a coward. I'm not gonna stand by and watch good people suffer. They've been beaten down for too long. I give them some hope.
They don't know how lucky they are.
Damn right they don't. My sour-casting good little menace.
Sano y salvo. Nunca podré agradecer lo suficiente.
Buy me a whiskey later, and we'll call things about even.